It's another day. Today I'll be showing you how to write number in scientific notation. Scientific notation. Yeah, that's what I will be showing you, how to write a number in scientific notation. Yeah, it's very easy. It helps you to solve an equation or a number, how to handle it, make it easier to handle if you express it in scientific notation. Scientific notation is writing a number in the to put is a product of a number between 1 to 10 multiplied by 10. Any number between 1 and 10 multiplied by 10 to the power of n. So that's how it works. I put it as a scientific notation is like the product of a number, right? Between 1 to 10 and a power of 10. That's why I'm writing like a number between 1 to 10 multiplied by 10 to the power of n. To the 10, it can be any, that's what I put it as n, because it can be any number. It can be a negative, it can be a negative number or a positive number. That's why we use n. I put it as n, and that's what I will be showing you today, how to do it. Okay, stay with me all the way to the end. I will show you some examples. I'll give you okay. More space. You can have a question like example 1. Right there. Following I should be showing you. I will start with the positive number like example 1, like I have 350 equals. What I do is, first of all, to rewrite the number just the way it is. 350. I know it. I'm gonna have multiplied by 10 to the power of something, and that was n. So then I come here, I count. I need the number between what I'm gonna multiply with 10 to the power of something, or to the power of n. It has to be a number between 1 and 10. The only way to get the number between 1 and 10 is to have the point right there. Right? And how many points? Now you have to count your to the power. So I'll count from here, this side, because the point is here. This is 350. 350. You can write 0.0. It's just the same. So the point is here. So how many decimal places I'm gonna move? 1, 2. So here is minus 2. Here is 2. Not minus 2, sorry. Right? I will show you another one. B. I have 7, 8, 5. It's the same. I'll first of all write the number just the way it is. 7, 8, 5 times 10. So my point is here, right? So I count. I need the number between 1 and 10. So I go 1, 2. It can't be anywhere else, because if I put it here, it will be 78. It will be more than 10. So that's the only place it can be. So I put my point there. But how many point places did I move? 1, 2. So it's 2. Right? So C. I can give you another number like 1, 8, 4, 1. I write the number just the way it is. 1, 8, 4, 1 times 10. It's going to be to a number which I don't know. So to get the number between 1 and 10, so it can only be there, right? So how many decimal place have I moved from here? It's 1, 2, 3. So here I have 3. Right? Right? Let me write another one here for you. I have 0.001. I'm gonna write this. Let me put 2. Like 2, right? So it will be. I first of all write my number, this number. It's 12. 1 be times 10. But I need the number between 1 and 10. So if it has a point here, now you'll be counting going back this way. For this one, we are counting this way. Right? Because these are whole numbers, but these are decimal numbers. For decimal numbers, you go left to right. For whole numbers, you go right to left. You facing the board, right? So I count my point. So to get here, how many decimal places have I moved? 1, 2, 3. So it will be minus first of all write my number just the way it is. This number 3 5 1 9, and I have to have 10 to the power of something which I don't know. It's a number, it's a point number. It's a number less than 1. So you can't go in this way. So you go. You need a number between 1 and 10. So you can only go here. Just moved one decimal place. So here it's gonna be minus 1. Right? Let me show example 2. Might ask you, right there, in scientific with only yeah. It might tell you just the same, right, in the scientific notation, and leave it with only 2 decimal places. So I will show you an example. Like I say 1, like 3 7 0 1. First of all, I have to write it in a scientific notation. Just the way I showed you is 3 7 0 1 times 10. Look for the number between 1 and 10. So it can only be there. But how many decimal places did I move? Right? I moved that way, right? From right to left. So I will go 1, 2, 3. That's why my point is. I moved 3 decimal places, so it's 3. But the key word here, 2 decimal places. This is how many decimal places do I have? 1, 2, 3. So my answer will be 2, only 2. 3.70 times 10 to the power 3. That's why I'm gonna leave my answer, because this is less than 5, so it won't change this one at all. So that will be your answer. Let me show you another one here. Number 2, like 5 8 7 9 1. The same. I will just first of all write my number 5 8, 7, 9, 1 times 10 to the power, which I don't know. Then I'll count my decimal places, right? I need the number between 1 and 10, so it can only be right there. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's to the power of 4. But now they ask you to leave it 2 decimal places. So it's 5.8. But now 9 is greater than 5. So you make it 1. 1, you add it to 7. So here comes, this one comes 8 times 10 to the power of 4. Right? That's how it is. Right? So let me show you one more with a decimal place. You see how it is done. So to me, this one. Number 3. Zero point 7, 3, 1. Same thing. First of all, I write this number 7, 3, 1. I write it as a whole number. Then I know it's gonna be times something. Right there. I need the number between 1 and 10. So it can only be 7.31 times. So once I write it like that, how many decimal places did I move? I move, if it's less than 1, you move from left to right. Right? So how many decimal places did I move? 1. So it will be minus 1. Leave it in 2 decimal places, and this will be there, right? Leave it in 2 decimal places, it will be 7.3 times 10 minus 1. Okay? Maybe one more. Right, 0.1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 1, 0. Right? So I'll do the same. First of all, I write this number. Right? As 5, 7, 9, 1, 0 times 10. I know you're gonna be to its product between of a number between 1 and 0 and 10 to the power of something, which I don't know yet. So I'll come back to my number. I need the number between 1 and 10. The only to get is to have a point here. Is to have a point right there. Right? So I write my number again here is 0.000579110. To come here, how many did I move? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was moving that way, so it will be negative. If you go that way, it will be negative. If you go this way, it's positive. So it will be negative 4. And my point will be there. But they ask you to leave it in 2 decimal places. So this one will be 5 9 times 10 over 4. Yeah, that's the answer. So if you like my teaching, go ahead and share and subscribe to my channel, Smart Teacher 6. Yes, subscribe and share. Okay, take care. I will be showing you how to divide scientific notation numbers, whether they are positive, whether they are negative. Stay with me. I will be showing you how to divide and how to multiply. See you in the next video. Okay, take care. See you. Bye.